Welcome to Turriff Plumbing. Who is Turriff Plumbing? From industrial and residential piping to water heaters, sump pumps, and water purification, to bathroom safety adaptations, repairs, and remodels, we are here to provide you an award-winning product and service, and have been doing so since 1920. Here at Turriff Plumbing, we are excited about our plumbing programs, such as Bathrooms for Seniors and Bathroom in a Week. But most of all, we are excited to work with you, the customer. With our extensive piping selections, including newcomers stainless steel piping and fusion piping, combined with the latest construction techniques, you can be assured of flawless, award-winning performance every time, whether it's industrial, commercial, residential, or remodel. So, who is Turriff Plumbing? Well, we're the plumber builders rely on, and we're the plumber for you.